Hey everyone, I'm here with the final 2 eggs. Sorry about the weird lighting. I don't know why it's so orange or yellow, but whatever. We'll just ignore that for now. I've got the final 2 captive eggs. If you guys haven't seen, there's 2 videos before this where I take a look at what's in 2 or 4 more. So if you guys want to see the full set of 6 eggs that I unboxed, take a look at those 2 videos as well. So let's dig right in, right off the bat. I tear the egg wrong, that's fine, no biggie. And it comes with the second set, so we'll get that gone. Whoops, oh my goodness, such a hassle. There we go, get it out of its second shell. Now I've got the third one. So I got my goo plate, which I have in all my videos, yeehaw. Just some like plate that I take camping all the time. So yeah, this goo leaves residue, make sure to wash your hands. I don't know why I'm like advising that in all the videos, just feel like I should. But here it is, plop. Kind of like lava, I know I say that in each video again. Kind of used to like going on a robotic pathway. Yeah, so we're gonna need the paper towel. This stuff sticks. So I'm hoping again, baryonyx, fingers crossed, this is the last 2. Still haven't got it. So let's hope for the best. And since it's slimy, I gotta use scissors. Anyone at home doing this, make sure you don't cut the little papers inside. And again, I gotta go back to the paper towel. There we go. So let's see. Please, please, please. Something. Oh, it's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, this is cool. I have not gotten this one yet. Oh my goodness. That's pretty huge in comparison to most. And I like the color. They did a great job on that. The position is pretty cool too. It's raised up, roaring, look at that. And it's got a very nice level of detail. They even added the pupil. Nice. And they've got this like lighter wash to make the highlights, those like ripples on the skin really pop. Again, the tiny nails and the toenails are painted. And the bottom is too. Very phenomenal. And this is like a kind of characteristic pose that it would be in. Rexia asserting dominance. Very nice. That like roar position. Okay, so we got that guy down, or gal. There we go, final one. Come on, baryonyx, you gotta be in here. I like how I'm only like halfway and I've already bought in so many of these. I'm gonna start trading soon online. I mean, there's not many people I know who have these because they're mostly only out in Australia and the States, but that's okay. I can just trade them for other figures. Oh no, I got it on the counter. Rip. That's fine. I'm just gonna pull that off of the packaging. Okay, this one feels pretty chonky. Could be a herbivore. How am I gonna cut this? I'll just slip my scissors underneath and just, there we go. Please, please, please. And it is blue. So blue is, oh, this is very interesting. Okay, hold up. Blue has come in this like, this plastic container. This little like thing to hold the legs together, right? Spoiler alert, I pulled blue on a previous one and she did not come with this. I swear, if you watch that video, the body segment was not in this kind of encasement to hold the legs together, and the legs are kind of squished in together like that. So I think, I don't know, they're both, I bought them both from the same box, so I'm not sure why one came without it and one came with it. But obviously it protects the legs, and again I said this one's legs were like that, so it didn't stand so well. It is just simple to, you know, spread them like that and then it stands or whatever. But yeah, holy cow, that's a surprise. So there's like a variant. There's blue with plastic and blue without plastic, and apparently you can find both in the same case. Not like a variant, but you know, a packaging variant, I guess you'd call that. And it looks like there's a little bit of variation in wash, so there's some darker paints in certain areas applied. Pop together like that. You can see there's coloration on eye. I don't think there's a pupil. Very nice detailing on the head, and the inside of the mouth is painted. Teeth are painted. Got that signature blue line. Even some darker stuff along the thighs and arms. And yeah, so the back's got some darker painting on it. That's pretty cool. So yeah. Oh. There we go. So we got blue to stand. I don't know if we can make the other one stand again. Yes, we can. So there we go. Rexy and Blue, two signature dinosaurs from both the Jurassic worlds. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to watch the other two if you haven't. They're both up on my channel already, if I'm posting this one. Yeah, so I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.